Hello guys, so for today's video, hello guys, I wanna go to, I don't know, I don't know yet, so we're going to Jalan today. So today is my off day, so I don't know where I'm going to, so keep on watching soon. Alright, so on the desk, so hi to my pimples. So right here, so yun guys, we gonna go first eat for lunch because we having breakfast and lunch at home. So now we're going here and Sungaywang guys, we're going to food court. All spoon. Looper. So almost done guys. So after this we're gonna go at the Bukit Bintang Road. right now in pavilion, so we're watching later the movie and cinema. So we're watching cinema. I don't know what movie we can see there, so let's see. Alright, just keep on watching. So yun guys, tapos na kami nanood at ngayon umulan. So pauwi na rin ako ng bahay. Ayan. So makulumlim na dito ang dilim. So right now I'm here in Pasarcini. I'm going to back home right now. Naiwan ako. It's too late na guys. Yeah, so we already got LRT when I'm going up. So now, so dito kami sa Pasar. Ayan. So dito kami sa Pasar Cine. Ayan. Ito yung nice view dito guys. Oh my God. Ulan siya. So later is I want to show you guys my new shoes. Ayan, keep on watching. So hello guys, right now is I am arriving my home. So I want to unboxing guys my shoes. Actually guys, this shoes is for my working only, not for outdoor like something like that. So this one's for like working wear only. So this one guys, yeah, so I changed my fashion because of 2025. I need to change my fashion to my work. So normally talaga guys, since before my fashions is like something jeans, fit jeans like that, and rubber shoes. So this moment so right now, or right this year is I changed this. So that's all, and thank you for watching guys, and hope you enjoy my video for today. So thank you, and if you more interested to my YouTube channel, so please subscribe if you are not or if you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel, Choice Santis's Vlog, and like and share, comment down below if you have any suggestions with my next video or for this video. Thank you.